Behold the Bugatti Voiture Noire, a one-of-one automotive masterpiece. Its design is inspired by the legendary Type 57 SE Atlantic, timeless elegance reimagined. 6 tailpipes hint at the immense power within. Under the hood, a quad-turbo W16 engine with 1,500 horsepower. From 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.5 seconds, pure adrenaline. Inside, it's automotive haute couture, crafted with perfection. At $18.7 million, it's the most expensive new car ever made. A modern legend, La Voiture Noire, the black car, reborn.